Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aji Prayangga from the Computer Engineering Study Program with NPM 22316011. In this presentation, I will explain the topic simulating an IoT system using FreeSting from concept to prototype. Before I go further, I will briefly explain what IoT is. IoT, or the Internet of Things, refers to a concept where physical devices are connected to the internet to collect and change data. Before an IoT device is built physically, an important step the must the done is design and simulating the circuit to ensure that the system works properly without wearing error. One commonly used application for this design stack is FreeSting, an open source software that allows us to design electronic security visual, starting from the breadboard view, cinematic view, up to PCB design. FreeSting has a user-friendly interface, complete component library, and visual the costly reasonably real hardware, making it very helpful for student of beginner developer in simulating IoT system. In practice, we can simulate a simple project source as an IoT-based temperature and humidity monitoring system. This project use components like the SP8266 or the SP32S, the microcontroller, the DHT11 or DHT22 sensor to read temperature and humidity, and LED indicator, as well as jumper wires and a breadboard. The purpose of this system in the read data from the sensor, process into the microcontroller, and send it to a cloud platform such as ThinkSpeak or Firebase using a Wi-Fi connection. The entire process from data reading to transmission can be visualized in FreeSting before being tested on real hardware. During the simulation stage, the user first open the FreeSting workspace and select the breadboard view. Then components such as the breadboard and microcontroller are pressed on the workspace. The DHT sensor is added and connect carefully the VCC pin to 3.3 volt, the data pin to a GPIO pin source D4, and ground to GND with a 10 km resistor as a pull-up between VCC and data. And LED indicator can be added by connecting the anode to a GPIO pin, adding a 220 ohm resistor, and connecting the cathode to ground. After completing the wiring, the user reaction every connecting to ensures that a cable overlap and no voltage error occurs. The design result can that be verified with the cinematic view to ensure the security stored in logically correct. Once the security simulation is complete, the IoT system executor can be explained. The system works starting from the sensor that read temperature and humidity data, the microcontroller that processes the data, the Wi-Fi module that sends the data to cloud server, and the dashboard that displays the data in graph of monitoring view. This shows the complete workflow from concept to IoT prototype. A simple code example on the ASP8266 can also be used to read the sensor and display data on the serial monitor before being developed into a full data upload system to the cloud by performing assembling the real device. This simulation is very useful for documentation, presentation, and preparation for future development. Phrasing helps students understand the relationship between company and ensure the IoT design is ready before physical implementation. That is all I can explain. Thank you for attention. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.